Okay. So once again, thank you so much for being with us despite of the festival that is happening right now. So, like what Power Bindo is telling, my name is Cheryl Bautista. I am one of your business partner here in Forever Living, and we've been doing this opportunity since 2011. And we come to know Power Bindo way back 2000. 6 years ago, and she is now doing this amazing opportunity as well. But by the way, I am not here to force you to join, but I am here to share with you an amazing opportunity so that later on you can have educated decision on whether you will be getting involved. So I'm so happy also that a lot of leaders are joining us in this presentation. So let me give you a little brief of our background so that you have an idea of why we are doing this Forever Living. Like many of you, I am a mother of two kids. I am an expatriate here in the Middle East, and I am working here in Dubai since 2004. So our home, this second home country, we've been here since 16 years ago. So this is my beautiful family. Like most of you, we are expatriate. We came here of course, to earn more money. Everybody came to the Middle East if you are an expat to earn more money and to have many opportunity. But the thing is, when we have that opportunity also, we know that when we came here, we do brought a lot of dreams, but where are we right now? That is the questions of us being an expatriate. So I come to know Forever Living in 2011, not because of the business itself, but because I want to use a wonderful products for me to lose weight. And true enough, because of these amazing products of Forever Living, and to tell you, by the way, in 2011, I'm so skeptical about this opportunity, and maybe some of you also were invited by force, or maybe some of you will just find this opportunity also very doubtful at first. I am one of you, so welcome. So I'm so skeptical about this opportunity, but I want the products that will help me to lose my weight. And true enough, we have amazing products. I use Clean9. Later on the testimony of the products, I will be sharing with you my experience. But because of this, I just posted my before and after in Facebook. And many people ask me about the products that I use. So if you are using Facebook, and I believe every one of you are using Facebook, so you can do this opportunity as well called Forever Living. So when I posted my before and after in Facebook, many people ask me about what products I use. I have nothing to tell but Forever Living. So what I did, I attended the trainings like this. Okay, I learned the products myself. I teach people to do the same, and I leverage my time through others. That's the power of this company. And as we are expat in here, we do have as I can see, we do have, I think, teammates from KSA. We do have teammates from Middle East. I believe Priya is here with us. So we can talk to a lot of different nationalities. Okay? And with this company, I'll be able to develop and build my teams. And one of the biggest team that I have is with you guys from Indian team. So you will be seeing a lot of managers whom we help to grow their business as well. We have Power Bindu, and you are part of Power Bindu's team, whom I met only on Facebook because she inquired to me about the products of about weight loss products. And true enough, because of that chat in the Facebook, she is now part of our team, and you are one of my big team right now. So I do have also people from different nationalities whom we help. I have from Palestine. I have an Arabic team, big Arabic team with Power Amira. We have from Iranian. We have a team from Pakistan. We have team from the Philippines as well. So you are not limited to your nationality only. You are the world is your market in here. So because of this amazing company, every one of us, I told you, we came here in this place or in your place as an expatriate to earn money. But as we all know, most of us are having uh the basic needs only with our salary. Okay, like many OFW or expatriate here in the Middle East, when I come to ask them, do you have savings? Most of them will be answering, we do not have yet, or just a little of it. Because of course, how can you save without money? That's why what we did in 2011 is for us to have an extra income through this company, and every 15th of the month, they never fail us to give an extra income, and this company giving us more than our salary. So we do save money because of this company. And since 2011, I started July of 2011. On August 15, 2011, the company gave me already of what give me already this extra income. So later on, I will tell you on how I get this one. But this is a true company. We've been here for 9 years already. Okay. So, and aside from that, because of this company already, it really changed our lives. We do achieve and we do have benefited because of this company through the extra income. We have now our dream house in the Philippines, and because of that, we customize it to what we want. So this is just one perks of being a member of Forever Living, because since I have an extra income, so this company provide me my dream. Okay, this company gave me these benefits of having this amazing house in the Philippines. So I believe most of you also, maybe you have your own already, but because of this, you can push through with your dream house, and a lot more, not only dream house, but this is some of a testimony that the Forever Living gave us. So who is the company behind, and why me and Bindu and a lot of your team are so passionate in sharing with you about this amazing company? Okay, if there's one thing Forever knows, that will be an aloe vera. Aloe vera, in fact, Forever Living consider themselves as the aloe expert. That's why we brand our company as the Aloe Vera Company. So welcome to these presentations of the Forever Living, where ordinary people achieve extraordinary results. Okay. So to give you okay, to give you more about more idea about this company. This company, for which is Forever Living, is founded since 1978. We have already 42 years of unprecedented growth. Imagine that, 42 years. So you will not get wrong in involving with this company. Our we are in operations in 160 countries, including your country. We do have here from the Philippines, from India, I believe. We do have here participants from different countries already, which means since we are operating in business in over 160 countries, when we go back home, we do have business and we can earn multi-currencies in here. Our main office is situated in Scottsdale, Arizona, USA. And aside from that, our company is vertically integrated. What does that mean? It means that Forever Living control the entire process of it. Okay, we have an experience with a long-standing um, marketing management team, and aside from that, since we are vertically integrated, also the land that where aloe vera grows is our own. We have our own plantations of aloe vera, and we do have our aloe vera is hand harvested, and the people who are harvesting it are part of Forever Living family as well. We do own also our state of the art manufacturing and research and development in Phoenix, Arizona, USA, and in Dallas, Texas. Imagine that. Aside from that, we do have Forever Directs based in Netherlands that caters to ship the products around the world. That's how big Forever Living is. And I want you to understand that one so that you will be more confident to share how stable our company is. Okay? So, owning this process not only help us to cut the cost, but of course, we are making sure that our products are of the highest quality. Arvind, do hope I'm clear because I cannot see you or I cannot
Yes,
hear
yes,
you.
yeah, it's
Okay.
clear. Yeah.
So hopefully I'm clear. Okay. Thank you for that.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
as moving forward, okay, in the Middle East alone, we are here since 2000. So we are already 20 years in this region. Our main office is situated in Sheikh Zayed. This is our main office, as you can see in the picture in Dubai office, where the head office in the Middle East, and we have 220 product centers around the world. Around Middle East, we have six in Saudi Arabia. We have also in Sharjah, Dubai. We have in Abu Dhabi. We have four offices here, Sheikh Zayed. So we have five offices in Dubai alone. So we are the largest and longest direct selling company here in the Middle East region. And we are so proud to be part of the direct association here in the Middle East. Okay. Now, many people know already about the amazing benefits of aloe vera in our skin, but not all people know that aside from that, when we consume the aloe vera inside, there will be a lot of benefits, which supports the health, promotes a healthy immune system, it supports nutrient absorption and boost natural energy levels. For our skin, you will see that aloe vera moisturizes and suits our skin. So that's how aloe vera is used. So it's not only external, but you can use the products also internally, and it will give you more benefits. To move on, Forever Living is the world's largest grower and manufacturer of aloe and aloe vera based products. But not just the size of our operation that sets us apart, the good news is our aloe vera is hand harvested and hand filleted to ensure that only the inner gel of the aloe vera is used in our products. Also, we use the patented stabilization process for our topical products, and we use the new aseptic manufacturing process for our aloe vera drinks, so to make sure that that is a preservative free with 99.7% of inner aloe vera gel. I just go with my notes so that I will not be, making wrong in information. But that's how the purity of our products is being done. We have also Okay, we are also certified by the International Science Council, that is a different company who ensures the purity and potency of our products. So we are so proud that Forever Living is the first one to be certified by that International Aloe Science Council. And aside from that, we do have a lot of certifications. We do have a halal certificate for our Muslim brothers and sisters. So since we are in the Middle East, most of our clients maybe are Arab. So we know that it is safe to share with them the products of Forever. We have also proud to have a 30 days money back guarantee. So as you well know, we told you, our products are based in aloe vera. So let me share with you about how aloe vera works with our products. So we have an amazing demo here with our very own Parabindu. So let me share it with
Health
you.
facts in Ben's Wellness Secrets. And today's ingredient is my favorite drink that I take first thing in the morning, my favorite aloe vera juice. So I'm going to show you what are the effects of drinking pure aloe vera gel and the health benefits that it gives you in improving the digestion. So these aloe vera juices from Forever comes in two sizes. This is the 1 liter bottle and this is the smaller pack, which is 330 ml. Now, the benefits of drinking the gel is it helps in detoxification, reduces high BP, controls diabetes, enhances healing, improves your skin texture, gives you energy, improves your immunity, reduces fatigue, and it's also a pain inhibitor. Well, if I have to talk about it, there are many, many benefits. Now, the most important benefit in improving the digestive system is what I'm going to show you today using a very, very simple test. So let's get started. So I'm going to take 1 glass of regular water. This is basically to show how our body looks inside. So it's water representing the medium inside our body. So warm water I've taken. Now I'm going to be pouring in the aloe vera juice. I'm taking around 60 ml here. I've taken 60 exactly. You can see that. Okay, and I'm going to keep it besides this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how the water changes color, or basically how the body becomes when you intake a lot of junk food or oily food, any fast food from outside. So that is represented by betadine. So I'm going to pour in a few drops of betadine to show how the body becomes when we really eat all those lovely food that we crave for every time, like pizzas and burgers. And this is how it looks like. Okay, so I've added a few drops of betadine. Now, what is my aloe vera juice going to do is what we're going to see now. So this is the quantity that I usually drink every morning, empty stomach. So I'm going to pour this inside the glass and again stir it. Can you see how crystal clear is my solution now? Which shows the aloe vera juice was able to neutralize all those toxins and detoxify our body. So now, since you have seen the effect is crystal clear, I'm going to add in more of betadine, because you're going to be anyways eating all those kind of food, oily food, junk food, etc. anyways. But still, you have drank your aloe vera gel first thing in the morning. So now, even when we take oily food or junk food and put it in our body, we are lucky because our body is already clean. So that's what I wanted to show you, how drinking a little bit of aloe vera juice, the purest one available in the market, really cleanses and detoxifies your body. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you've understood how an effective and a pure quality of aloe vera gel can actually cleanse your body and detoxify. And a few points about Forever Living's aloe vera gel. It is preservative free. It is free from any sugars, so ideal for diabetic people, and it's halal, kosher certified. It's approved by the International Council of Aloe Vera, and at the same time, it's the best.
Thank you so much, Bindu, for that wonderful demonstration about our aloe vera gel. Imagine that's the top one products of Forever, and you know that we are an aloe vera based company, and you know that it will help you internally. And imagine that you are using the best products in the market. So aside from that, Forever
Interesting health fact.
Okay, let me just go through. Okay, not only that we do have that number one products, we caters a lot of health and wellness products in Forever Living. We do have 200 plus products approved here in the Middle East, and we cater products for us to look better and feel better, and we can share you the other benefits of the products on our next presentation maybe, but we do have the brochure of the products that you can choose from. We do have products like skincare, we do have supplements, we do have personal care. This is the products that you are having the budget already for yourself. We do have products for your for the tooth gel. We have the products for your hair, to gel, shampoo, conditioner. Everything is in Forever Living. The famous products that we have in Forever is what we call the weight management products that we use when we join Forever Living. We do have nutritional health and wellness products. We do have sports products. So you can choose whatever products that you want to try with Forever Living. Okay. And then with when you use the products of Forever, it will be you will be more confident to share the benefits of it to your friends. So as I told you in 2011, what I want is to get rid of my fats. And true enough, because of this amazing company, because of these amazing products, there will be a lot of transformation. And aside from that, I want to change my brand. Okay, so I want to change my brand of my personal care, so I use more products. That's for me to be able to get more discounts. So that's only my main goal when I get involved in 2011. But because of this, I help a lot of people also to maintain their health, like Power Bean do, from very fat to fit. So she used the products of Clean Nine, and actually they have an ongoing challenge for Clean Nine, and hopefully we can see a lot of results also after 9 days. So they are in day 3 or day 4 already of this Clean Nine challenge. But these are the people whom we know who get benefits of these amazing products, and hopefully one of you will be our model soon. Is Power Jeffrey, our main sponsor who introduced the Forever Living to me in 2011. The wife is Marian. We do have the famous Yuslida from she is from Malaysia, but she is now in Saudi Arabia. She's so famous because of her transformation. We do have a lot of different nationalities also who's using the products. So our main goal is to introduce the products to you so that later on you will be the one to share the benefits to your loved ones and for yourself. Okay. So not only that, Forever Living is for the health and wellness products. The good news is this company offer an opportunity for you to share these wonderful products to your friends for them to look and feel better. And when you share the products to your friends, there will be an opportunity for you to earn an extra income like what we are doing with the leaders here. And since it is our nature to share the benefits of the products through others, so it will be beneficial. Why don't you share the benefits of the products to your friends so that you can earn an extra income also? So if you are looking for a true and lasting change in your life, Forever can help you in business. This is the business for yourself, but not by yourself, because we are here to guide you along the way. And because of this generous company, it offers a lot of opportunity for you to earn more aside from the incentives that they can offer. So to moreover, we know that every one of us has different goals in life. I don't know with you, maybe you want to travel in some other places. Maybe you want a better health for you and your family, or maybe you just need a new car, or you want to improve, or you want to have your own lifestyle wherein you have a time freedom for your pension as well. Whatever is your goal, maybe we do have different. For me, I want to travel the world for free. I want to give a better education for my children, and I want to to experience the goodness of life really. So whatever is your goal, Forever Living is here to achieve it, to help you achieve your goal. So moving forward, let me share with you this amazing system that aside from you being healthy in Forever Living, you can earn an extra. So this is the my favorite one, and hopefully you want also to earn something. Okay, so let me introduce to you to the marketing plan, and I'm so proud that you are here to listen to me. So our main philosophy is really very good. We want, if we by helping others get what they want, you can get what you want as well. So this is a helping business, and I'm so proud of this system. So to moving forward, to understand the progression within the marketing plan, it is important to know that all the achievements in Forever Living is measured but what we call the by what we call the case credits. Case credits is simply the internal currency of Forever Living. This is the point value given to each of the products that you will purchase in Forever, okay? And it is proportionate on the price. The higher the price, the higher the case credits, as you can see here in the screen. Okay, simply this is the point system that is given to each of the products, and this will be the basis of our income, the basis of our incentives, the basis of our achievement. Remember that we are in operation and in business in over 160 countries, so we are only talking about the case credits. The marketing plan of Forever Living offers you 2 levels of discounts and 6 levels of bonuses. Once you join Forever Living, you will be called as a preferred customer. And a preferred customer will be entitled for you for the 5% discount on all the products of Forever Living. Okay. And once you purchase 2 case credits within the 2 calendar months or less, you will be upgraded to be an assistant supervisor, or what we call the FBO, or Forever Business Owner, which will entitle you to have the 30% discount on all the products of Forever Living, plus an additional discount from 5 to 18% depends on your sales level. So, in this kind of marketing plan, as an FBO, you have the ability now to share the benefits of the products to your customers. So, since you have a discount already, when you sell it to your retail customer, you can immediately have that 30% discount when you are an assistant supervisor, and it will go up to 48% retail profit if you are if you are a manager. Not only that, when you develop team, or when somebody signs up to you for them to be able to have a discount, the company will be given us what we call the preferred customer earning from 25 to 43% depending on your sales level. Later on, I will be discussing with you about the different levels, sales level here in the marketing plan of Forever Living. So, if you have a preferred customer, you have the ability also to have a preferred customer profit, which will be given to us every 10 days. Okay, that's a new marketing plan of Forever Living. And then, aside from that, there will be a preferred customer bonus, which you will be entitled to, and it will be given on the every 15th of the following month. On our previous in the previous marketing plan of Forever Living, because this one will be implemented only this November, we do get our bonuses only on the 15th of the following month. But the good news is the company never failed to do so and give us. For our 9 years in Forever, it's always on time or maybe ahead of time. But because of this amazing opportunity for the preferred customer profit, where an assistant supervisor will be entitled to 25% out of it, it will be given to us uh, on the 10th day. So since this will be new, I don't know exactly when it will be given, on the 10th day or every 10th day. So let us wait for the more announcement from the Middle East. But that's the benefit of you being part of this Forever Living. Moving on. Okay, to explain to you on how you can progress on the marketing plan of Forever Living, this is what I'm going to explain to you. Okay. Now, as I told you a while ago, once you purchase 2 case credits within 2 consecutive months in Forever Living, you will be called an assistant supervisor, which will give you a personal discount of 30% plus a 5% personal bonus once you become an active. Later on, I will be telling you on how you can be active in Forever. And when you and your team accumulates 25 case credits, because once you build your team, all the case credits of you and your team will be added to yours as well. When you and your team provide have a 25 case credit within 2 calendar months, you will be promoted as a supervisor, giving you a personal discount of 38%. To illustrate that, you can see in this illustration that when you do your 4 case credits as me, let's say for example, I'm doing the 4 case credits and my teammates do, okay, in this illustration, 12.5 case credits, okay, in 1 month. If they did it within the 2 months, you will be promoted as a supervisor. Remember, all the case credits of Forever Living will be all the case credits of you and your teammates will be accumulated. Okay, it will be added on. So at 75 case credits, you will be promoted as assistant manager, which will give you 43% discount on all the products. But imagine, in this one, you can be also a manager if you develop 120 case credits within 2 consecutive months. You will become a manager, which you will be entitled for the highest discount in the marketing plan of Forever, which is 48%. Okay? But the good news of that is within 4 months, in 4 consecutive months that you develop 150 case credit as well, the good news is you will be promoted as a manager. So you can be as a manager in a manager position, you can do it in 2 months or you can do it in 4 consecutive months. And all the points globally will be counted on the position for you to be promoted on the position. And you should be active, okay, every month. And aside from that, the good news is when you develop team, there will be bonuses that you are entitled of. It is what we call the preferred customer bonus. I have told you already that once you develop your team and you have your preferred customer, in a previous marketing plan, it is called the Novus customer. The company will be giving you again the additional bonus of 5% when you are an assistant supervisor, 8% on the supervisor, 13% on the assistant manager, and 18% on when you are a manager on the preferred customer bonus, provided that you are an active. And aside from that, when you develop team also, because in here, you will be able to share this to a lot of your friends. And your friends also will share this, the benefits of the products to a lot of their friends. Without you knowing, you will be having now a lot of networks in your team who are the users of the products and who wants to use the products of Forever and who wants to have an extra income as well. So when you develop the team, when you become an assistant supervisor, you will be given another bonus, and that is what we call the volume bonus. Volume bonus is the bonus given to us by the company when our team purchases something, and it depends on your sales level. It starts when you become a supervisor. So the formula is very simple. All you need to do is to um, get the difference of the higher position versus the difference of the higher position versus the discount of your teammates. Let's say, for example, in this illustration, for you to have a better understanding on that, I am a manager right now, and I have a teammate who is a supervisor line. Let's say, applying the formula, since my discount is 48% and my active assistant supervisor is having the discount of 35%, the company will be giving me 13% out of the retail purchases. That's how generous the company is. And of course, I will be developing team who will be a supervisor. How much the supervisor's discount? It will be 38%, right? So applying the formula, 48 minus 38, the company will be giving me 10% 10% out of the purchases that this line is having every single month. And of course, we will be developing now an assistant manager, which will give you a 5% discount, 5% group volume bonus. So that's it. And as you progress on the marketing plan, as you achieve the manager position, okay, the qualification only is for you to become an for case credit active. I'm always telling you about that in my previous presentation. For case credit is active means when the purchases of you and your retail customers and preferred customer accumulates to 4 case credits, you will be considered as active member of Forever Living, which will entitle you for the preferred customer bonus, for the personal bonus, and for the volume bonus as well. So how can you be a 4 case credits active? It's very simple. Use the products yourself. The company is just telling you to get at least 1 cc in your personal ID, and for you to have a retail customer share the benefits of the products to others and sponsor people and tell people about this amazing opportunity, and they will do the same. And all these points, once it's accumulated as a 4 cc, then you are now you are now be considered as an active. Okay, hope you follow me on that. Active CC is when you have your personal plus retail plus your preferred customer CC or case credits accumulates to 4 case credits in a month, wherein one CC must be personal in your personal ID. This is the main reason why we are telling people that you need to be active so that all the bonuses that the company is giving to us, you can achieve it. Okay. Now, once you be promoted as a manager, aside from the profit that you earn as a result of the discounted price, you can receive a varieties of bonuses also when you become a manager. Because not only that you will be entitled for the personal discount, preferred customer bonus, volume bonus. When you develop your team in Forever Living and you become a manager, the company will give you a leadership bonus, which will entitle you to have a 6% from your first generation downline manager, 3% from your second generation downline manager, and 3% on your and 2% on your third generation manager. We told you a while ago that by helping people to get what they want, you can also get what you want. So we are not stopping your growth in Forever, because the more we help you grow your team, the more that the company will give us and more incentives. So aside from that, of being a manager, the good news is you will now be entitled, or you have the chance now to become and to become an Eagle manager. Okay, you are entitled now to achieve many more incentives that this company is giving, like Eagle manager. Eagle manager is a retreat given to all the managers who qualified to have at least 720 case credits, and you will be traveling for two in a destinations that the company will be giving you with the air ticket for two, with hotel accommodations, all expense paid by Forever Living. Aside from that, you can also have the Forever to Drive incentive that is given by Forever Living. There will be a global rally. If you are here in the presentation for quite some times, you saw already that a video of the global rally, because every year the company is giving us a free travel, wherein every qualified Forever business owner will be in the sales rally, where there will be a lot of trainings. And as I told you, there will be a free hotel, free hotel, free what you call that allowances that is given to you, and always it is good for two. So I suggest that every one of you also will be achieving these incentives given to us for free by Forever Living. So as you can see, the company is giving us only from first generation, second generation, and third generation manager. So Cheryl, what will happen to other of my teammates? The good news is there will be a chairman's bonus. You will be having a share in all the profits that this company is given. It is what we call the chairman's bonus, and it is given to us also in the every April of each year. Later on, I will be showing you some of the, chairman's bonus and some of the checks that we got because of this amazing company. And aside from that, there will be a gem bonus also that you are entitled once you promoted to be a Sapphire manager, or of the higher level here in Forever Living. Okay. So that's the marketing plan of Forever Living. And to summarize it all and how it will work for you, let me just tell you that this amazing this amazing opportunity is so doable. All you need to do is to use and share the benefits of the products. Let's have a 4 case credit in every month. Let us look at this illustration. By teaching people to do the same, and you are teaching them to use the products and do your 4 case credits. Let's say I am encouraging you to get your first 5. Okay, if you have 5 directly sponsor, okay, and you teach them to use the products, to share the benefits of the products, and to do the 4 case credits total every month. Imagine that if you have the 5 direct FBOs that you sponsor, you have the 4 case credit, you taught them to do it, you will be getting 20 case credits every month. And you also teach that people or your teammates to sponsor, let's say, at least 3. If they have sponsored at least 3, so you will be having a downline FBO. It's 15 FBOs who will do their 4 case credit. It will be 60 cc in 1 month. And then we will be telling them also to sponsor at least 2. So there will be an additional of 30 FBOs in your team. Imagine, we do have an exponential growth here in Forever Living by merely sharing the benefits of the products and this opportunity to a lot of people. And imagine, you only sponsor your first 5, and your team sponsor another person whom you did not directly sponsor. In this illustration, you will be getting 50 FBOs already. Let's say, Cheryl, I cannot do it in 1 month. I cannot do it in 2 months. I cannot do it in 3 months. What if it happens to you in the next 1 year if you continue to do this business? And imagine if you have this kind of network already, in every month, you will be getting 204 case credits. And because of these case credits, you will be achieving all the incentives that the company is giving. But what if it's just 100cc? If you have 100cc, because of these illustrations, whenever it happens to you, then it will be a great opportunity for you to earn an extra income. That's why we are here since 2009, because we keep on sharing this good opportunity and our amazing products to a lot of people. So you will be having an amazing growth in your Forever Living business by sharing the plan. So I'm almost done with my presentation, but let me give you a summary of what I have discussed of this marketing plan. Let me just tell you that the bonuses and discount are always based in the suggested retail price. When you become a preferred customer of Forever Living, you will get discount. But remember and imagine that all your bonuses will be based on of the retail price. Let's say, for example, if I have 1,000, my client get a discount. My bonus will be based on the 1,000, not on the discounted price. That's how generous this company is. And the company is giving you, remember, to move up on the position that you want, 2 months accumulation, the previous month and the current month. Also, this company is there will be no level of requalification, which means that when you achieve your position in Forever Living, that will be your position for life until such time that you want to be promoted on the next level. Let's say I am now a Sapphire manager. Whether I do the business or not, I will be a Sapphire manager. But of course, you are here already. All we wish for you is to become active every month. Okay, that's why we are using it, because once you become part of Forever Living, you will always be in love with our products. So be the ambassador of your products so that you will be benefiting, and there will be no pass up. That's in Forever Living. We want to help more people. Let's say you help people, but someone down the line is wants to achieve more here in Forever. When they become, let's say, manager, you will also become a manager. Let's say, for example, in this presentation, uh, Suganti sponsor Priya. So since Priya become a supervisor, all the uplines will be a supervisor. But this company is very, very, very fair as well. Whoever does the business, they will be the one to get benefited with regards to the income that Forever Living is giving. But at least you will not be passing. The company will be promoting you also once your teammates uh, be promoted in the marketing plan of Forever Living. Also, we have the proven track record already. We are here for 42 years, unprecedented growth already. So there will be no large inventory, whatever you want. And you want in Forever Living, just change brand. That's the only one that you will be purchasing in Forever Living. And every time that you will be purchasing, you have a discount on all the products of Forever. And our products are consumables. These are the products that we are using every day. Okay, the shampoo, the conditioner, the tooth gel. So you have, and everyone has a budget on that one already. All you need to do, as I'm always telling, is to change your brand to Forever. We are financially stable, we are vertically integrated, and we are present in globally. We are in over 160 countries, so we can do business anywhere. And of course, the income sources, aside from the wonderful products and amazing company, we do have an income sources that can give you an opportunity to achieve what you want. We have the retail profit, as I discussed to you a while ago, preferred customer bonus, personal and volume bonus, leadership bonus, Eagle Manager Retreat, Forever to Drive, Global Rally Travel, Chairman's bonus, and a lot more. See, this is how amazing our company is. Okay, so these are some of the incentives that I want to share with you. I'm almost done with my presentation, but I want to reiterate how generous this company is and everyone is achieving. Not 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 only that you have a monthly extra income in Forever, you can also achieve and get your dream car. If you don't want your dream car, it is given to you in cash, so you can also get the money and buy whatever you want. So this is our car incentive. We've been in the business for 9 years already, and every 3 years we do renew our car incentive because we are doing it. So we have the Camaro here in Dubai, and also Fortuner in the Philippines. We have Montero. Since we have three cars already, I don't drive. My husband drive. Okay, so we invested also in properties in the Philippines. We do have also travel. We travel around the world because of Forever Living, and it's free. And I want you to realize how good to travel when it's free. So I'm with Power Bindu, and some of my teammates also. We've been traveling. We've been to Hong Kong, Italy, Singapore, South Africa. We've been in New York. I want to really celebrate my birthday in USA. Good thing this company celebrates its 40th birthday in its home country, which is the USA, and we had we have the chance to travel to USA. So we traveled in here with Power Bindu, the manufacturing and research development center in Dallas, Texas. We saw it already. That's how that's why we know that this company is very reliable. This is us in Dallas, Texas. And last year in 2019, we were in Sweden. We supposedly be traveling to Australia, but because of this pandemic, it will be moved to 2022. So everybody of you will be entitled. Every one of us will be entitled. Let's do some work. Let's be promoted as a manager. And come 2021, from January to December qualifications, let's do it so that we can travel to Sydney, Australia. So this is our travel in Stockholm, Sweden. And since we are there already, we have decided to travel to Paris. These all travels are in my bucket list, and because of this amazing company, we travel to this location free, and I want you to experience that one because it's very nice to travel if it will be for free, and Power Bindo can vouch on that one. So aside from that, there will be a bonus that will be given to us by this company. This is our chairman, Mr. Rexmon. We are giving away millions of dollars every year as as a profit share, as a chairman's bonus. These are some of our shares already. Power Bindu, she took her in South Fork, Dallas, Texas. Okay, we do have other teammates who achieve already. Not only us, but if you do more in Forever, you can achieve this incentive also called the Chairman's Bonus. We have Power Girly and William Tan. They are our uplines also. The one who sponsored us is Power Jeff and Marian. And we are part of the Diamond Group. Tita Loni and Tito Edmond is one of the top most in the world. They are top 17 in the world, and they are our mentors as well. So once you become part of this, there will be master class where you will be enrolled or you will be added. Okay, so not only us, look at these beautiful checks and big checks around the world. Since we are in the Middle East, there are the top in the Middle East, Asha Jume and Muhammad having 405,000 in 2019. They got also in 2020 and 2021 we will be receiving as well. We have from South Africa, we have from UK, and look at this, the top one in the world is having 1.5 million dollars as a profit share. So how much would you like to have? How much share would you like to get in Forever Living? And this is open to each one of us. So all we need to do is to do the legwork. But why are we so passionate in doing this? At the end of the day, whatever work we did in Forever Living, it will always be passed on from generation to generation because we have an inheritance in common forever. We are all expatriate we are now in a different country. We sooner we will be needing to go home. Should in case we want to go home or something happens, if you are employed only, I'm working in my company for 16 years. Should in case I just want to resign, I cannot put my son, who is 7 years old, to be on the same company, on the same position that I am having. But in Forever Living, whatever position we work into will be transferable and will be willable. So I am now a Sapphire manager of Forever Living. My 7-year-old son is now a Sapphire manager of Forever Living. The only question is what you want to leave behind to your family. Is it a good opportunity or a debt? So it will be your choice. So moving forward, maybe all of you will be asking, will the marketing plan of Forever Living will work for you? It will definitely, because a lot of people, regardless of different walks of life, you can achieve it. The only main common in these people are the willingness to work hard, because we do work also. Anyways, we are working hard. We are employed for how many years already? We are working hard for our company. Why not work hard for your business? So the question of will it be working for me? These are some of the qualifications. If you do this, if you are prepared to tell people about what you are doing, if you are coachable, if you can commit time and you want to be successful, if you have a great attitude, trust me, this company will work for you. Okay? And to help you on that, we told you that in this business, this is for yourself, but never by yourself only, because we are here to guide you along the way. If you are committed to do Forever Living, if you want to use the products, we can help you. If you want to build your team as well, we can help you. And we do have a lot of trainings, a lot of high quality sales and marketing tools that we can provide to you. Okay? So, whether you want a better health or better lifestyle, Forever Living has the products and the opportunity that we can offer to you. All you need to do is to join us and take action. Okay? So, these people and a lot of people around the world, we are in over 160 countries. They are doing Forever Living. So, we are inviting you also to join this amazing opportunity, because and we want to welcome you in the team. So hopefully I impart some information to you, and hopefully you will be excited to join us for those who are new, and maybe you will be well educated now to check this amazing opportunity. So thank you so much for having me. My name is Cheryl. Okay, I will just okay, wait. I will just pause